If cleaning your devices seems like a never-ending battle, you're in the right place. In this video, we're unboxing and testing the 3-gear compressed air duster, a game changer for you clean freaks everywhere. Let's see what it can do and why it's worth your attention. The 3-gear compressed air duster combines powerful performance with convenience and versatility. It features a 100,000 RPM motor that delivers 1.8 to 2.5 ounces of blowing power for an efficient and customizable cleaning experience. Equipped with a 7500 milliamp hour battery, it offers 20 to 40 minutes of runtime. It also has a fast Type-C charging and an LED display for battery and airflow status. This eco-friendly rechargeable alternative to canned air includes LED lights for cleaning dark areas and comes with 5 nozzles and 3 brushes for use in electronics, furniture, cars, and more. Lightweight and portable, it also ensures safety with a built-in temperature, current, and short-circuit protection, making it ideal for your home, office, and maybe outdoor use. Let's see it in action. I got this to ditch the pricey air cans, and it's a great upgrade. The 3 stages work well, even the lowest setting. Just remember, it's replacing air cans. It's not a leaf blower. Downsides, it charges slower than I like, and it sounds like a jet taking off. Still, way better than buying air cans forever. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more. See you next time.